And we're off at the dog park, wet and mud. We are walking pretty not mechanically, pretty human, with Ladybug at the dog park. There's the place at the dog park for the dogs that have advanced training. They can run through those sticks, jump through the hoop, go up the stairs, jump up, all that stuff. She'd only do that if a rabbit did it in front of her. She'd just follow that rabbit right through the whole course. But she's not going to find a rabbit at the dog park. So that's pretty much not going to happen. So I'm trying to cut a YouTube video where I breathe in, out more when I talk, and it's loud enough to hear without turning the sound up. And I'm doing a kind of short one. We're here at the dog park that I had a stroke 4.5 months ago. And 1 month ago I went from the wheelchair to the walker. Or 3 months ago. 2 months ago I went from the walker to the walking stick. And about 1 month ago I got rid of the trekking stick, and I'm walking her with just feet, but we're not really doing any kind of special thing. But one thing, the only good that I think came out of my stroke, a lot of good came. I was able to retire. I was able to find a roommate that I could split the rent with, and I was able to go to she found another dog to sniff. That's what she's here for, is to socialize.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, she would have too. She likes those dogs. The big dogs especially.
Yeah, she's a little too aggressive still.
Yeah, she likes to socialize that way sometimes.
No dog there.
Yeah. But anyway, the good thing here for YouTube, the good thing that came out of my stroke was my YouTube now has a purpose. I can now document my recovery on YouTube, and let's keep this leg walking going. When I try to ride my mountain bike, that's once we move, I'll try to ride my mountain bike, and I about swear I typed riding a bike after stroke and found a whole bunch of them. So now I have a goal in life, a recovery goal. That's pretty good. Anyway, and I also added a stroke survivor that was smiling. Just happy. I wish I could be that happy. I wonder if it's brought on falsely. In this today's world, sometimes happiness is, but it doesn't look like it. Maybe, well, so far so good, but I'm getting tired, short of breath going up this hill at the dog park, so I'm going to cut off the stroke recovery walk video for now and continue to follow her to the gate.